Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Stitch Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the Turkish knit stitch. Today's stitch is going to be an easy one row repeat, and when you go to cast on your stitches you will cast on an even amount of stitches, but you want to keep in mind that 2 stitches are going to count as the edge stitches. And as you see here, I have a little bit of a stockinette stitch worked up. And then this is where I was practicing and ended up having an extra stitch somehow. So from here and up is the Turkish knit stitch. Again, this is just a simple one row repeat. And if you are going to follow along with me today, I have 12 stitches here. And we can go ahead and get started on this one row repeat. So the very first stitch, we are going to knit that stitch. And again, that is going to count as one of our knit stitches. Now for the repeat unit, we are going to yarn over. We are going to slip the next stitch as to knit. So again, we are going to slip as to knit instead of slip as to purl. We will slip as to knit. And then we are going to knit the very next stitch. And then we are going to do a pass stitch over. So that slip stitch that we made, we are going to slip that stitch over top of that knit one that we just made and bind off. So again, for the repeat unit, go ahead and yarn over. Go ahead and slip as to knit 1 stitch. Go ahead and knit the next stitch. And now we are going to pass that slip stitch over top of that knit stitch and kind of like a bind off. So that is the repeat unit for this one row stitch. So just once more, we'll go ahead and yarn over, slip as to purl, knit 1 stitch, and then we are going to slip that slip stitch over top of that knit one we just made and bind that off pretty much. So that is what you are going to repeat until you get to the very last stitch. And when you get to the very last stitch, you will knit that stitch. So again, for that very last stitch, you will go ahead and knit that stitch, and you will continue that one row repeat for your desired length. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or even a subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I hope you all have a wonderful day. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can feel free to email me or even ask away in the comment section. And until next time, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you then.